Hello everyone, welcome to the series of LeetCode with JavaScript. Today we are going to discuss a problem called add two numbers. So let's read the problem statement. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume that two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number itself. Okay, so we are given with two numbers 243 and 564. These are stored in reverse order in a linked list. So the actual numbers are 342 and 465. We need to add these two numbers in such a way that the output will be stored in reverse order in the linked list again. Okay, so let's check the example here. For the first example, if you see, linked list 1 has 243 and linked list 2 has 564. If you add these two numbers, the output is 708, which is in reverse order. That is 342 plus 465 gives 804 and the output will be 708 in linked list in reverse order. Okay, let's check example 3. Here you see both the two linked lists are of different sizes. Hence, if any of the linked list is in smaller size, we need to replace the numbers which are missing with zeros. Okay, let's discuss this problem first in a whiteboard, then we'll jump to the coding part. So in this example, we have two numbers 243 and 564. We need to add these two numbers such that the answer also is stored in a linked list in a reverse order. So traditionally, we add numbers from right to left. Okay, so here what we need to do is we need to add from left to right and we need to pass the carry to the next right digit. For example, we have to first start adding 2 and 5. If there is a carry, we need to send it to the next number. We need to add to the next right number and we need to continue doing this for all the digits. Okay, so let's try this first example. Okay, let's start adding first two numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. Here I have created a variable called total. Let's write the 7. Let's try to find if there is any carry here. So what we'll do, we divide this total with 10 to check the carry. So there will be no carry here. Okay, and then let's try to find what number needs to be set to the new linked list. So let's mod this number with 10 and try to find the answer. The answer will be 7. So here number will be 7 and this goes to the new linked list. Okay, let's start with the next number. Let's add 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Let's do the same thing with this number as well. Okay, I'm writing here 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. Hence the carry is 1. And let's do 10 mod 10, which comes out to be 0. So the number that goes to the new linked list is 0 as a node. Carry will add to the next number, which is in the right side. Okay, let's add 4 plus 3 plus 1, which comes out to be 8. Let's try the same thing. Okay, so the total here is 8. Let's check what is the carry. 0 is the carry. And let's check what number needs to go to the new linked list. It will be 8 itself. Okay, so the new linked list has nodes as 7, 0 and 8. Okay, so we are getting the correct answer here, that is 7, 0, 8 and 8. Let's check with another example, that is example 3, which is given here. Okay, let's do the same thing. We'll start adding from left to right and we'll pass the carry to the next right number. Okay, let's start adding 9 plus 9. Let's start from here. 9 plus 9 is 18. So let's write here 18. Total is 18. Now 18 divided by 10. Is there a carry? Yes, 1 is the carry. And what is the remainder? Let's try to find what is the remainder here. Remainder is 8. So 8 goes to the new linked list. Okay, so we have a carry. Carry goes here. That is 1. Let's add all the 3 digits. 9 plus 9 plus 1 is 19. Let's do the same thing. Okay, here is 9. Here is 19 divided by 10 is again 1. And 19 mod 10 is 9. Okay, so the digit that goes to the new linked list is 9. Okay, now again goes a carry. Same thing, we are again getting 19. 9 here. Again carry. Again we are getting 19. 9 here and 1 goes here. Now here, one thing to note is the second linked list doesn't have any element here. So this case we need to handle separately in our code, where if any of the linked list is shorter in size, we need to replace it with 0. So here we can see linked list 1 has a digit as 9. So linked list 2 needs to have a digit, so we'll replace it with 0. For the second element we'll do the same. For the third also we'll do the same. Let's try adding 9 plus 1. Here comes out as 10. Let's try to find what is the carry and what is the digit that we go to the new linked list. It's 10 here, 10 here. Yeah, 1 is the carry. 10 mod 10 is 0. So here the digit goes is 0. Again a carry here. Again we are getting 10 here. Again 0. Again a carry here. 1 here. Again 0. And the carry is written here in the end. So the carry also goes to the new linked list. So if you see the new linked list that we got here is having 8, 9, 9, 0, 0, 1. That is 8, 999, 000 and 1. Let's see if we are getting the answer. Yeah. So the answer here is 8, 999, 000, 1. Okay. So here, as you can see, we are given with a list node function which we have to use for creating the output linked list. So let's start by creating a head node. It will have a dummy element for now. I'm creating a variable called current which will store all the digits from the output linked list. I'm creating a variable called carry which will store the carry digits and which will be added to the sum in each and every iteration. Now let's write a while loop. Okay, we will run this while loop until any of these exist, that is if linked list exist 1 exists or linked list 2 exists or carry have a non-zero number. Okay. I created a variable called sum which will store carry for now. So sum will have carry, first element of first linked list and first element of second linked list. Okay, here what I'm doing, I'm checking if the linked list 1 exists and there are elements in it. If it's not null, then we'll pick the value from the linked list, add it to the sum, and then we'll position the pointer for the linked list 1. Similarly, for linked list 2 also we'll do the same. Okay, so here also we are doing the same. We are checking if the linked list 2 exists. If exists, then we'll pick the value from the linked list 2 and add it to the sum. Then we'll change the pointer for the linked list 2. Okay, let's recalculate the value for carry. Okay, this carry will be used in the next iteration of the while loop and will be added to the sum like we did here. Okay, now let's add elements to the output linked list. It will be sum mod 10 as we discussed in the whiteboard discussion. Now we'll change the pointer for the current again. Okay, once this while loop code is done, we need to return head.next as we have set a dummy element to the head. Hence we will return head.next. Let's check the code. Okay, the code looks good. I'll try running the code and see if it works. Okay, all the 3 test cases passed. Hope you understood the code and understood the whiteboard discussion as well. Do continue watching other videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.